What's up, everybody? In this video, we are going to review the components in your course kit. Please note that some images in the video may look different than the items in your kit. The Arduino Uno is a microcontroller. It is essentially the brain of all your projects. You will connect components to the Arduino. We'll use code to control the components and listen for inputs and display outputs. The 6-cell AA battery holder will enable us to provide battery power and make your projects mobile. A half breadboard will enable us to rapidly prototype circuits without the need of soldering. A sorted wire will be used to connect components to your breadboard and Arduino. The wire in your kit is all the same. There is no difference between a blue, orange, green, red, black, yellow, or purple colored wire. You can use any color wire to connect a component. You should use wire as a visual indicator. It is a good idea to reserve red wire for the plus or power connections and black for the negative or ground connections. Assorted LEDs of various colors to make things flash and blink. An LED that can emit red, green, and blue light, enabling us to make any color. Assorted resistors will control the flow of electrons in your circuits and will prevent components from getting harmed. You will notice that there are color bands on each resistor. The bands indicate the level of resistance for each resistor. A rotary potentiometer is a variable resistor. We can turn the knob to increase or decrease the resistance of the potentiometer. A photoresistor changes resistance when you shine light on it. We can use this to detect light or dark. A button. You've probably seen those before. A slide switch is essentially an on-off switch. A switch with a lever. If you pull down, you should hear a click. An ultrasonic sensor uses sound waves to detect distance. A motor and wheel will enable us to make a mobile robot. The motor driver is used to control your motors. Using this chip, we can supply a higher voltage to your motors than your Arduino can provide.